Mini gaming PCs are getting insanely powerful, but not all of them can actually handle real gaming the way they claim. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best mini gaming PCs, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your money. Whether you want a compact gaming setup, a powerful small PC for esports titles, content creation, or everyday performance with light to moderate gaming, this video is carefully researched to help you make the right decision without marketing hype. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. KAMRUI Hyper H1. The KAMRUI Hyper H1 features the AMD Ryzen 7 6800H paired with 32GB LPDDR5 6400MHz RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD. It supports triple 4K displays, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. Review highlights. This mini PC delivers strong gaming performance for its size and can handle modern games at 1080p settings. It's a solid choice for gamers who want power in a compact form. Pros: Ryzen 7 6800H with strong integrated graphics, high-speed LPDDR5 memory, smooth 1080p gaming performance, compact and powerful design. Number 4. GMKtec M5 Plus. The GMKtec M5 Plus is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U, combined with 32GB RAM and a 1TB SSD. It supports triple 4K displays, Wi-Fi 6E, and dual 2.5 gigabit LAN ports. Review highlights. This mini PC is a great all-rounder, offering strong multitasking performance and reliable gaming at medium settings, along with excellent connectivity options. Pros: Ryzen 7 5825U with strong multi-core performance, 32GB RAM and 1TB SSD included, dual 2.5 gigabit LAN ports, excellent balance of work and gaming. Number 3. KAMRUI E3B. The KAMRUI E3B comes with the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U, 16GB RAM and a 512GB SSD. It supports triple 4K displays, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. Review highlights. This system is ideal for casual to moderate gaming, esports titles, and everyday use. It offers solid performance without pushing the budget too high. Pros: Ryzen 5 7430U offers smooth performance, triple 4K display support, compact and energy efficient, good value for mid-range users. Number 2. KAMRUI AM21. The KAMRUI AM21 steps into high-performance territory with the AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. It also features Radeon 780M graphics, USB 4, quad display support, and dual LAN. Review highlights. This mini PC delivers excellent 1080p gaming performance, fast multitasking, and future-ready connectivity, making it ideal for gamers and power users. Pros: Ryzen 7 8745HS processor, Radeon 780M graphics for smooth gaming, DDR5 RAM and PCIe 4.0 storage, advanced connectivity options. Number 1. KAMRUI Pinova P2. The KAMRUI Pinova P2 takes the number 1 spot as the best overall mini gaming PC for most users. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen 4300U paired with 16GB RAM and a 512GB SSD, and supports triple 4K displays. Review highlights. This mini PC delivers the best balance of price, performance, efficiency, and everyday usability. It's ideal for light gaming, esports titles, and users who want reliable performance without overspending. Pros: Ryzen 4300U delivers dependable real-world performance, triple 4K display support, quiet, compact design. Best value for budget-focused gamers. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing gaming performance, CPU and GPU capability, memory speed, thermals, and overall value, the KAMRUI Pinova P2 is the best mini gaming PC to buy right now. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and check those links. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.